Come back na your name is Mr. Obri Yaboa entimi eni nkomwe. Mr. Obri, pacho what him in Kansas say?
Rami Pasha, very clear.
Very well. I'm grateful.
Very well. I'm grateful for sensitivity. I want to make initially
on the general impression finance minister designate. The responses, the posture, and the kwanya of us who yin semnano. Na afi yamra the details of it.
Right, my man Sancha was chief for Nyahefubium. They're not said. So we shouldn't demeanor now the Tewa was very okay. He look calm. He looks like somebody who knew the person or Babaye. He was not intimidated, especially a man no near Ato. A man a tough time, no. He took his time. He never looked provoked, even when some of the questions seems like a bit aggressive, no. But he was very calm as usual. And Mecca said he was a bit economical with some of his responses. Apparently, now on person committee who be brave issues in the and on the whole, no, I think say he did quite well. I can only wish him well.
You can only wish him well, but yamra the substantives and the kind taxation issues of taxing the Ghanaian people, kwanya yebefaswa and no ebe assisted revenue mobilization for a buying budget obey for 2025. Now, the minister designate promises, just as President Mahama has said, no, first budget airbe, NAB Kwanswa airbe, E-Levy will be abolished, betting taxing so ebeko. Now the question no was put to him, say a body say who use our taxes in no edi free honoma. A quine ben abefa so enyesika edi aye de opese wo de ye ewo abaye mu. Or say rather tax compliance and ehu hia say SSA and Nigeria it may facilitate you omoniema na it may boa and not necessarily overburden the people with taxes. Mamintio on that, is that the preferred solution a bit me ateki us of the mess you won't say?
Complaining about inadequate revenues in terms of tax collection. Na ubia ba na sama waka say we must expand the tax network. We must expand the tax network. But to kwaya be faswa ibe increase and as be expand your tax network and the ubia ntimi mfanya idan MI. Nti so akohwe akaye nipa kakra bi na ye formal setup num eno na yetua eto dodo na nti ye sika ne de wo ye de ntimi mfa bi mfa baabi a de ubenya bia no akoye se utua tori eden ewo so ntimi ne ya adwene but he telling us that oba be expand no is something we have heard it over and over idea ya tin wo mpe bebre obi bia wa bedi o mayakonya bia akasa asem but the critical question we be ntimi nya no mayen how e kwanya we move fast why they expanded the tax bracket no enti menene ya but mpempi no say abaiba so fufuo say we enjoy certain level of goodwill ema ewo oman mu say take decision about tax revenue and tax generation he must take it now and all take you know MPP all the opposition parties must help him because anytime we will be taking critical decision the other parties take political advantage of it the papa but they criticize you na ama abamubua but we end up so big guy and na never born man but yeah.
Kessben.
Hello. Zabri Otubenka.
Question we say. You will never be able to come here.
This is
almost see dying and as almost see fear. About almost fear. A 1 city quiet and fear na almost no. Obakono ni apeja fear si honum. If you need to see one no, a labor for the year Juma ho. Meanwhile, if you an end to your back okra. A mass to set Bina Yabana what Peja Diasi Hokra na. Ghana Revenue Authority should be able to ask you tax dodo a wutua ne dan na wapeja si wono emfa ho ne ketwa bi a eye when we begin to do things abnormal way normal way ne there ya succeed. So we must begin to do things abnormal way enti e ba begina ufie yi wasi awie a liberal for year adwuma ho no withholding taxes na wutua ye eniema building materials na okotoye no withholding taxes na oye den wutua ye ne sa na ewu se emra ne beka everybody will be compelled to pay the tax. Last week we didn't come and the suggestion for buy. Ona Jina abontin area bodua dodo na ama ekofue SHS yen nyina health insurance no so e die ye amana ye sustainable abani should cap so many things to those social interventions, you know. If you are not paying taxes, your work cannot benefit from you can say free SHS.
Yes, but that
because
remember
Intina make us say all the political parties, both MPP and NDC, must be on the round table.
Yes.
Because you will judge it there for the akrokro na there any kasa de any Ghana for the kasa, including your mama no more or free maternal health care. Still, omuntia eto emano yama yawu at that time as I enjoy free SHS. Say free SHS bu oman because he said the cost involved the run this program no enya dia eda form. Meanwhile sankrofo nyina no omu maame ni omu papa mu omu ni bi kura no omu ye kwadwuma nketenkete omu ye bodwa adwuma masam ne say there should be a free will bia obi mobile money say we pay as you earn a PAYE ye adwuma for tetewa mobile money bosume so a say even 5 should be krana abani should be able to come out with the mechanism bia at least Ghana ni bi to within bosume non ontia to bosume bia 5 Ghana cedi those in the informal sector and their mobile money account their MTA account with their Ghana card account and all those things must merge with their tax identification. Then those on the site, I keep referring to say so many sikano do na kogu site ukowura site a diamond project ya air so abani na probia the influence it leaves much to be desired. And we have to be very bold because to achieve success no enya hogono wa mo ni anya den to America dinner enya da betima achieve very popular but in the long run no aban obenya sika e dey manage economy no e dey ma oman na yeye.
Yes, but Metia will can into
details.
Finance Minister designate said he would rather think of ways of compliance. I mean, the wabu boss no we already have existing laws in making sure taxes, property rate near the no you bet me ajeje. But because of the lack of compliance, yentimi enya the enough revenue yenya from all these sectors wabu boss. I mean, gone are the days Dr. Baumia any NPP are buying a treble no ebo homode Emma Ghana ni bia or Ghana card bia and say say the Ghana card identification number was the tax identification number as well. And implementing some of these things and enforcing what the laws are required, I mean, will not just be a difficult thing to do. And vis-a-vis, you agree with the minister, but in the interim, E-Levy, any betting tax, should it necessarily go? Mitie unkomo yani baby awa free our day beya.
Kessben. This be a difficult thing to do. I think this.
Okay, Mr. Bree will get back again. 30 minutes after 8. Yes.
What about menya club?
Mitiopa, Mitonka. Very unfortunate. 30 minutes after 8. This is Kessben. Pacho, your numbers, 055 0567 929. 055 0567 929. And no, your numbers are your day, Juma, and pay. And your economist and financial expert, Miss Odri Yabua, and Edin Komo, and pay about and Koma and Dra a course our parliament appointment committee, no any.
Kessben.
Me able to menka.
Loud and clear.
Okay, mami ntio to aso mami.
Eti said now some up no it has to do with the compliance and unim before le Ghana for yisuni e ban se wusi wujai bibia de amaye se yeni ayamfa ye prim ana enya bibia ni hono ma ye beye den ye beye enti aban no esese o ma na ni ye den na ye nyina no together we can achieve something. Said now the deputy minister designate the vetting process. We have just around 13.8% per annum year contribute to the whole GDP in terms of tax payment. Something it will form too much. Again, one of the ways and then we are talking about digitization. Emerson said all our vendors say incubate me the QR system about a dear payment here. Can you subabua amo mining yesika bebre? But over Ghana, your system you developing is such that you pay cash holding dodo. A idea and no boa ama oma person mubetia to their ma buying. They are easy avoid the tax payment. We should create several payment platforms and digital. There should be a conscious effort on the part of government. So ukwa manonia, ufuka na kuteska kwa na obi eni ho obeje, obeka cho say you should digital platform. Christmas minya kwetu kwa briefly. Miwa lending say omu yefe bibi go pay. Eno ana omu train system ni nyina omu asha ase de ye platform. What are we doing as a country? Yese bibi ase a ye mani nkosi enkowie ni eja de edi ato so yetimi create that digital platform so edi ama all merchants e wo memu a make before so that people who are doing business ye na ye kwa akota beton ne omo beton nyina no edi that digital platform na sika eventually the government will be able to amass a lot of revenue go a long way ebeboa ye nyina enti aban no should also promote that digital payment platform so they loopholes in the system no so doing or putting all this together with aggressive enforcement I don't know, but you should consult the tax expert. If outsourcing in terms of property rate outsourcing because all the community panel sikana wo kwaje aba no yebema 10% they will be more willing to go and bring the money. Then you set up audit team on mobile fetchy. But for now, we need to think outside the box and see how we can generate enough revenue.
But the usage of digital systems there, I think say baby I do as a country, any Juma Dr. Bawumia and Ado Danko Ekufuado, I mean we should not have challenges about digital payment system because interoperability Juma say kase government pay.gov ewoho oko citizens app on the sonsua. I mean you are able to do all your payment opesa we apps a buy a lunch under the leadership of Dr. Bawumia. I mean, Ghana Revenue Authority or taxes SSA and which meet ya the citizen app no eso ECG electricity bill SSA Ghana Water. I mean, opesa utia or pension through SNET near Denia no ewo. But the question is that how familiar is the Ghanaian to be able to use this technological apps ebetimi aboa advancing the payment of a year and yema year bobosu yina.
It has to do with education. Omuna kodum pempen so madwe ayedi omu benchmark isia oma de no. Isia di form hono no. Enye dakope ana omu sha ase. a umakudum kontonsa umadri. Umusha free baby. And said the mobile money ever Ghana in the year 2009. It took a conscious effort and with the intervention of Bank of Ghana said no, this is the way we want to go. And Omume key regulatory environment very friendly at the Mawumo and next over Ghana ha mobile money. I think that you bet me I sa and your money be ebeba be na ushe mobile money asea e made the year 20 na almost even as at 2011 na omuni customers bebre, but they saw that there's a need for them to change their approach. They went to Bank of Ghana. Bank of Ghana made some changes, the rules on the electronic payment platform. And the Ghana need be a mobile money. What has left for us to do? And they said, as I said, you take a conscious effort. Not that QR code payment system, no, and yet easy. Until we could have phone, oh, there, ya when the pakwana bo, what the phone at two, then the option to approve, let the honor, 1 minute in a court. There are several benefits here, bedding. You bring a woman, a babuama tax revenue, no, a backwash. Two, the cost involved in printing of currencies. At the more my way, a back from considerably. We spend so much money in printing or reprinting of currencies. Meaning, no, ebe film. Three, a conform eba bedu sika krana. And then only physical cash in front through. And I'm saying a robust system. No, be a issue with the data platform T or do phone no easy Canada. We can easily trace where the money went and found the number of account or by transfer is Kanakotum. We can trace from transaction 1 to the last destination of the transaction. So there are several efforts and benefits with many. So government should make a conscious effort that digitization drive at the previous government we will not allow it to die off naturally, but you better pick with combination of 24-hour economy and all the other good policies,
Very well. Mr. Mamina Wasiano Pay, I'm highly grateful for your time.
Kessben.
Very well.